The sound we are going to practice in this video is the sound bo. Repeat after me. Bo. Again. Bo. Bo. Bo in both. Again. Both. Ball. Again. Ball. Bed. Again. Bed. B. Again. B. Boss. Again. Boss. Banana. Again. Banana. Bear. Again. Bear. Bone. Again. Bone. Bean. Again. Bean. What other words have initial sound of bo? Bo in cheeseburger. Again. Baby. Again. Baby. Goodbye. Again. Goodbye. Habit. Again. Habit. Ribbon. Again. Ribbon. About. Again. About. Ladybug. Again. Ladybug. Rubber. Again. Rubber. What other sound have middle sound? What other word have middle sound of bo? Job. Again. Job. Club. Again. Club. Rib. Again. Rib. Cob. Again. Cob. Scrub. Again. Scrub. Lab. Again. Lab. Grab. Again. Grab. Ice cube. Again. Ice cube. Web. Again. Web. What other words have final sound of bo? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Early ball games. Again, early ball games. Big black bear. Again, big black bear. Crying baby. Again, crying baby. Good at goodbye. Again, good at goodbye. Eating beans. Again, eating beans. Now, let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? We watch the early ball games. Again, we watch the early ball games. He challenges the big black bear. Again, he challenges the big black bear. Please grab the bottle. Again, please grab the bottle. You're way too good at goodbye. Again, you're way too good at goodbye. I hate eating beans. I hate eating beans. The sound we just practiced in this video, the sound bo. Repeat after me. Bo, bo, bo. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.